may gustong pumatay sa kanilang lahi. At ang ginawa ni Lord, of course, feeling ko hindi ako enough. Feeling ko wala akong silbi. Ano ba yung purpose ni Lord para sa akin? Na-feel nyo na rin ba yun? But let me share with you the story about Queen Esther sa Bible. She was an orphan at dayuhan. At simple lang yung pamumuhay niya na parang nothing special about her. Pero alam nyo ba, God's favor was with her. Naging reyna siya hindi dahil sa ganda niya o sa talino niya, but because God chose her. Pero ito na nga yung problema. May gustong pumatay sa kanilang lahi. At ang ginawa ni Queen Esther, she asked help from the king kahit pwede pang maging kapalit nito ay ang kanyang buhay. She was scared but she still chose to trust in God. At ang ginawa ni Lord, of course, hindi siya pinahiya, hindi siya pinabayaan. God gave her His favor, strength, and purpose. At dahil sa ginawa ni Queen Esther, naligtas ang kanyang nation. So dahil sa kwento ni Queen Esther, God is telling us, anak, hindi ka aksidente. Pinili kita, mahal kita, at may plano ako para sa'yo. For such a time as this, I have placed you where you are. Because you are loved, you are enough, and you are chosen. So kung nasaan ka man ngayon, may purpose si Lord para sa'yo.